Assalamu alaikum dear student, I am your English teacher from class nursery. This is your book, open it. Look at page number 18. Today we do page number 18. In this page we match the beginning sound k with the correct picture. One is done for you. What we do in this page? We match the beginning sound with pictures. Look at here. Look at here. What is this? This is k. We match the k with the correct picture. What we do? We match the k with correct picture. One is done for you. What is this? This is cat. And what is the beginning sound of cat? K. What is the beginning sound of cat? K. Look at here. In second picture, what is this? This is cow. What is this? This is cow. And what is the beginning sound of cow? K. What is the beginning sound of cow? K. You start from here. You trace it. You trace the beginning sound k with the correct picture. K. Cow. Look at here. In third picture, what you see? Carrot. What we see? Carrot. And carrot's beginning sound is also k. What is the beginning sound carrot? K. You start from here. Beginning sound with the correct picture. K. Carrot. K. Carrot. Look at here. In fourth picture, what is this? Ball. What is this? Ball. And what is the beginning sound of ball? Is it k? No. Ball's beginning sound is b, not k. You done this page? Okay. Allah Hafiz.